Parang ang dami kong gustong gawin. Diba? Pero mamaya na.
Nasaan yung good status ko? Bumili ako ng airplane ticket. Gosh, this is the saddest ever, Gian.
But that's how it is. Pak na pak!
Okay guys, I'm flying with ANA today. And first time ko mag-fly na Ana. And talagang binook ko tong flight para lang masakyan tong Ana. And I wanna compare it with JAL. Kasi diba, remember like nung April, nag-JAL ako. So na-compare ko, okay, ang Ana. And I just wanna see parang food and then syempre the seats. Yeah. I feel maganda ang ano rin eh.
Okay, so gagawin natin to. Lahat ng mga airport lounges mo in AIA 3 for this video. For an updated one, kasi alam ko sobrang tagal na yung last ko. So after security check, you will have and you'll see your airport or airline lounges. So you have all the airline lounges on the 4th floor pag nasa AIA 3 ka. Pag AIA 1 ka naman guys, same floor siya with all of the different gates. And then, just follow the sign hanggang umakyat ka sa airline lounges which will be on the 4th floor. And then ito siya. Dito siya sa likod, guys. And then you'll see all of your signs, airline lounges. And sa AIA 3, you have 3 airline lounges for your credit cards. You have your A lounge on the left, then you have Marhaba at saka Pags on the right. So guys, ganito siya ha. So if I were to show you to the left, pag papunta ka sa left, diretso ka, that will be A lounge. And I'll show you all of the different credit cards that can go into A lounge, pero it really depends on anong meron ka. So that's one. On the flip side, syempre, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo lahat ng nasa kabila. Okay, so sa kabila, when you're going to enter, you will have your Cathay Pacific, that's the first. And a lot of people would ask, sa Cathay Pacific ba, paano pumasok? That's really a business class lounge, first class lounge, lahat ng One World na Emerald at saka Sapphire. And then, you have Silvercrest. For Silvercrest naman, this will be Singapore Airlines. This is for Star Alliance Gold and up, business class for Singapore Airlines. So, yun siya. I'll run down all of the discussions naman mamaya. Maybe on a sit-down down. I just need to go and see kung ano yung mga ibang lounges na may availability for this morning. Baka kasi punuan usually ang Marhaba or punuan rin yung Pag. So it really depends. Oh my gosh, magbago. So excited for that. Okay, then you will have Marhaba here. Guys, I'll show you anong mga accepted. Ay, ang cute nito, may ganyan na. And then last but not the least, sa pinakadulo will be your Pags. But it depends kung meron bang access rin si Pags here. Cute, diba? Pupuno yung Pags. Makupuno rin yung Marhaba. Let's go to A Lounge. And I usually stay in A Lounge na rin. So, I'll show you kung paano siya gagawin. Gusto ko guys, medyo hinihingal ako. But, ganito lang siya. All you have to do, go in and then show your cards. And that's it, guys. We're waiting to board. Naka-group level sila, boarding group levels. So, first time riding Ana. Malawak siya, like JAL. Diba? Like sobrang lawak. And then may footrest ka pa here. Then you have your TV. Responsive. Not bad. Remote. And definitely may plug ka here. Ano? Plugs. And since it's a Dreamliner, wala siyang window shades. Dimmer lang siya. Okay guys, let's do our seat tour. So you have your TV here. Alam niyo naman, yan yung favorite ko. But you have a remote. Pero ang pinakamaganda dito guys, tingnan mo naman yung seat mo na legroom mo, diba? Ang lawak. And not only that, you get a blanket as well. This is your blanket. And I got the pinaka-back na seat. Pero sobrang lawak niya. Like, super. So it's like, oh my God, the best. But later, we're going to see yung food. Pero today, I'm gonna fly to Sapporo. So meron akong layover in Narita. But I have to take out the parang luggage. Kasi daw, I have to switch to domestic. Pero mabilis lang daw siya. So, let's see the process pag we're going to switch or layover in Narita and then you're going to switch to a domestic airline. Buti na lang both of my flights will be in Narita. Kasi may options na, let's say, nasa Narita ka, tapos yung lumilipad nasa Haneda, or if you land in Haneda, lilipad siya sa Narita yung domestic mode. Lilipat ka ng terminal, which is like, I will never recommend that. Yun nga lang, let's see. And then sana maganda to, but so far so good. I love their cabin. So guys, meron free text plan or 30 minutes plan or 3-hour plan or to whole flight. Dito lang tayo, Frio. And then accept na lang. O diba, an email. Pero pag business class at first class, may free ka. Okay, so meal nila will have crackers and cheese. And then you have salad. And you have udon. And then I got the pork. I'll show it to you guys. So I got the pork, the hamburg steak, boosh. And by the way, the salad mo will have, the udon will definitely have your noodle sauce. And then will have your seaweed. Then your cutleries, and then your spoon and fork. That's it. Kain tayo, guys. Wait. So ko turbulent yung flight nila, pero it's okay. You have your udon. And of course, chopsticks. First things first. Let's try the salad. Potato salad. Not bad. Not bad. Fairness. Okay. That's lula uba. Let's try it. Masarap. Not bad. Wine. Sarap. So far so good. Dried mangoes. Ito yung medyo not a fan. But sige na. 1 point for Anna dahil meron tayong ice cream. Kasi yung dried mangoes is not giving. As in, for people who don't like mangoes, winner to. Guys, I'm answering all of the questions sa Facebook. So, lahat ng mga questions, ito ginagawa ko. Buti lang may internet dito. O, diba? Efficient. So, we've landed and yun nga, if you're going to Sapporo, you're going to do domestic transfer. Kailan daw kunin yung bag. Wala siyang straight through check-in. But it's okay. Let's see the process para if ever you're going to ride JAL or ANA, alam niyo paano yung proseso na to. Pero wait lang. Resto muna ako, guys. And to everyone that I met, oh my gosh, hello! You know, so arrival. So if international ka, right? But hindi tayo international, domestic tayo. Domestic connections. So we go to the left side. So if ever you're arriving in Narita, this is where you're gonna go. Or if you have a domestic connection, dito ka rin. So, syempre, we're gonna create all of this content para at least alam natin. So here, so guys, marami to. So if ever you're going to go with any Japanese airlines, ganito po siya. So arrivals and baggage claim, pero yung domestic transfer room is also here. Oh my gosh, ang cute. Mario theme. Welcome to Japan! So we have around 3 hours before our next connecting flight. Pero wala tayong takot kasi we can take a lounge. Tingnan natin kung ano mga lounges available if ever you have a connecting flight. I'm sure Priority Pass, Lounge Key, MasterCard Travel Pass meron. And if ever mga JCB lounges, JCB lounge, yun nga lang, wala siyang mga food. Usually. Pero may nakita ako po minsan may mga crackers sila binibigay. So very minimal food. Okay, so arrivals tayo dito, domestic. Okay, after baggage claim or immigration, guys, baka to get your bags. Well, ito lang yung sign niya na NH28 is a B5, carousel B5 siya. So, alam kong meron akong pimple patch dito, pagpasensyahan nyo na, apologies. But mabilis, and I love the immigration officer kasi dinikit niya sa tabi ng Osaka or Tokyo na sticker ko yon. So at least hindi natin tinake another page of my passport. B5, makikita nyo sa mga TVs na yan, guys. Diba? B5, ayan o. So, boosh. Doon natin hanapin yung luggage. And then, afterwards, transit ulit tayo to the local flight because we need to go to Sapporo. Ang tugal naman. Nakakatawa, guys. But that's how it is. Excited ako for the next flight. I'll see you. Guys, yung mga gate mo. So now, we're going to go diretso na kasi gano'n na siya. It's as simple as that. In fairness, di ba? Meron siyang process nila na kukunin mo kasi ANA ka. So that's your ANA na transfer. Domestic transfer. Diretso domestic. They'll get your bag and afterwards, sa boarding pass mo, they'll write here na parang, okay, gate D ka. And then, diretso ka na sa gate D. So, now, domestic departure. By the way, sa airport, you have all of the different things that you might need, like mini stops, restrooms, and then the domestic departure. So for me, diretso na tayo sa domestic departure. Diretso ka lang. Hindi na ako bibili. And that's what I love about full-service carriers or 5-star carriers like Jale na Ana. So this is my first time riding it. But the good thing here is, diretso ka, wala ka ng problema, diba? As in, books. May taga-abot sa'yo and then super friendly. So, yun. And then, diretso ka with your domestic departures. Akit tayo doon. So, you'll see everything that you might need. You have to go in and go up. And then here na. Oops. And luggage natin, it will go up. And then, dami kong trabaho nagawa today, guys. As in, like, I love na may wifi doon. Yun nga lang, messages lang na wifi. But, it's okay. Kasi ang nanggawa ko naman doon was, like, respond to all of the messages during sa mga Facebook message inquiries nyo. And yun yung mga katuwaan doon. So now, this is domestic transfer. Diretso po tayo dyan. Okay, so we're gonna see Sapporo. ANA is 550. And then, ayan yun ba? Gate D yung Sapporo mo. And then, diretso lang tayo doon. And of course, reminders here. Diba? Like, you cannot have battery check-in sa bags mo. Yun nga lang. Unlike, diba, other airlines, you have straight-through check-in. Here, yung ANA and even JAL, I believe, wala siyang straight-through check-in. Yun lang. Oh, by the way, guys, ha? If Star Alliance Gold ka, meron ka dito sa Gold Track status. Singapore Airlines. Nasaan na yung gold status ko? Bumili ako ng airplane ticket sa inyo. By the way, guys, if you remember, there was an East West promo. East West Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer World and even a Platinum can get off fast track gold status if you buy at least a $2,000 na ticket now nung October 7 to 9. And I bought that. Nag-intay na lang ako ng status upgrade. If I get it, kukwento sa inyo yan. Okay, security muna. Bye muna. Okay guys, something that I noticed. So sa security check, if you're ANA, well ANA kasi I'm flying with ANA, hindi siya budget, di ba? Iba yung lane mo. Kasi nakita nila na ANA ka, iba yung lane mo. And if nandun ka sa kabilang lane, like the key sa mga budget, hindi na iniiwan yung mga tao. So, alam mo yun, yung parang napansin ko. Iba talaga eh. Alam mo, if you fly first ka, hindi first ka, 5-star carriers, they really go above and beyond. And that's one thing na napansin ko. Anyway, so now medyo, oh my gosh, ito na pala yung waiting area. Ito na siya. Medyo sad. Kasi domestic. Dapat pala, hindi ako pumunta dito ng ganito kaaga. Oh my God. At least learning para sa inyo guys. Pero there's like an Ana Festa. There's like food here that you can buy. Like here, may Ana. You can buy some stuff here. Like snacks. Pero guys, ang lungkot niya. And then may gift shop doon. Oh my gosh, this is the saddest ever day. So nakabus kami to go to the airplane. But at least I'm gonna arrive in Sapporo ng 8 p.m. Gabi na. And bukas may tour tayo. Let's do this. Guys, also, whenever you travel to a cold place, don't forget, dapat meron kang down mo. I got this from Pipi. I'll it. So it doubles as your neck pillow, tapos it's down. So, one thing whenever you go to a cold place, don't forget na dapat balot ka. You can get one in Uniqlo, mura lang yan, nagsisale yan. But definitely, my tip, pag pipili ka sa Pilipinas, bumili ka ng mga like December, January, kasi nagsisale yun, down natin. But if you want, get something like this. You can find, I'm not sure kung meron pa siya sa Tumi, pero back then, nasa Tumi lang naman to. Landed. We're in Sapporo. And hanggang dito na ako kasi malamig sa labas. I don't think you can see it guys, pero wala pa namang snow on the runway. So, in fairness, at tong airport, at least maraming ganap. Kanina kasi yung domestic mo, walang ganap. But, I saw, dahil ikaw ako nag-land, meron isang bus diretso dun sa hotel. Based on Google Maps. So, yun yung take ko na lang kasi diretso na lang. Diba? Mas madali. Now, I did the quick scan. I need to do the train. Hindi pala bus kasi mali yung napin ko kanina earlier. So, paglabas mo, diba guys, nandiyan naman na, JR train is nandiyan sa baba. So, you just have to go down. So, all of the JR train is down there. Madali lang. Rapid Airport, you can buy. Okay, New Chitose line mo, nandiyan lang siya. Then here, you'll see all of your different train schedules. Pero ang maganda nito guys, madali siyang puntahan. Kasi paglabas mo, iyan na kagad. As in, wala ka na kailangang isipin. The best part is, you should have your IC card. Pwede rin naman, if I'm not mistaken, pwede credit card. Let's see, ha? Guys, yun na rin yung latest map mo. You have your JR information here. Sobrang convenient. As in, feeling ko, kasi di ba parang mas maliit siya. Parang siyang Fukuoka, guys. Diba naalala mo yung sa Fukuoka ko na vlog? Mabilis mo rin mahanap. But here, if you're gonna look, nandito yan. You have your JR information booth, counter, and then you can buy your tickets there. I wanna check lang kung meron pa akong ticket or may laman pa yung ICOCA card ko because I'm not sure if may laman pa siya. Let's charge 2,000. Pasok mo yung bill. Complete! Tadan! Okay guys, Westgate ang aking hotel. So, as per Google Map, Westgate tayo. Tapos maglalakad tayo to go to Namboku Line. So, if you're going to look at it, guys, na dyan, no? Subway to Namboku Line. So, yun lang yun. Pak! Pak! Diba? Pak na pak! Ang dali. Kayang-kaya natin siya with Google Maps lang. So guys, the train was 1,150 yen kasi nakakita ko lang na-deduct na siya sa ICOCA card ko. So FYI, yun po yung price. And then nakita ko itong subway, parang ilang stop lang kasi to, 210 yen daw siya. Anyways, ito yung subway. Papunta tayo doon. Oh my gosh, yun ito sa Poro Station, guys. May Daimaru, may mga groceries that you can go to, etc. So guys, for me, Google Map is very reliable talaga. Every time you want to do it, use it, nandyan talaga siya. Kasi siya talaga makakasagot ng almost everything that you need. And kahit dalawa yung dala kong bag, kayang-kaya siya. Ito na siya, guys. Guys, dito sa subway, ang dami pang shops. Oh my gosh. As in, parang ang dami kong gustong gawin. Pero mamaya na. Check-in muna tayo sa hotel. So, dire-diretso yung subway line. Guys, if you look at it up here, makita mo yung sign, Namboku line. So, dire-diretso lang talaga tayo dyan. Let's just follow every time. Nandyan siya. Now, hindi ko pa nakita na if merong mga Visa card yung pwede itap natin sa train. Unlike yung sa Fukuoka kasi yun nakita ko talaga. But, eto medyo hindi ko nakita. By the way guys, if you go here, nakita nyo yung may mga train, di ba? And then, if you have an luggage, pwede kayo dito. Para hindi na kayo magbuhat. Elevator tayo dyan kasi mahirap na. Guys, paglabas mo, ganito na siya. Boosh! As in. Tapos yung hotel, paglabas, ayan na! Stream Hotel! Exit 4? Stream Hotel, where are you? By the exit, oh my God! Ang ganda! Wala akong masabi. Wala akong masay sa hotel na to. Ang ganda nitong hotel. From the looks of it pala. And alam mo, mura ko siya nakuha. My gosh, guys, this is it. Parang dapat hindi ako naglipat, di ba? My God. Okay, Stream Hotel is 7th floor. So guys, ayan siya. Mag-7th floor tayo. Guys, ayan yung mga materials you need. Like milky lotion, face wash, cleansing. Ayan, kumuha na kayo if ever you need. And all the other amenities like toothbrush. Nandito siya sa likod. And then not only that, di ba? Ganyan siya. So I got a room on the 15th floor. Thank you so much, Kiyo, for giving me a very nice floor. Sabi doon niya, 10th floor daw reservation ko. Pero ibigay niya sa akin, higher floor, which is 15th floor. So I'm getting excited. Thank you so much. Okay, so 15th floor nakuha akong room. And talagang right by the elevator lang siya. And when I entered, oh my gosh, naloka ako sa ganda ng hotel. Okay, anyways, let's start the room tour. Yan na. Gaga kasi pinitay. Kurt, you have your hangers here and then your room spray. Then you have a luggage rack and of course your slippers. Dito will be your safety deposit and then you have your laundry bag here. You have a full-length mirror here with room slippers. Guys, bawal niyo kunin yan. And then you have hangers here that you can hang or hooks that you can hang your clothes. And ipagpasok mo, ito kaagad yung bathroom area mo. Toothbrush, face wash, sabon, lahat na dyan, including your towels, are all placed nicely here with hair dryer. And syempre, nakahiwalay. Ang ganda dito guys ha, this you don't usually see in Japan. Hiwalay po ang iyong shower. Okay. So, hiwalay po ang ating bathtub with shower. Ang laki ng kwarto mo talaga dito, guys. And then not only that, if you open this, guys, nandito naman ang iyong water closet, 'di ba? So, nandito siya. Toto po. So, yes, may bidet po tayo. Wala kayong i-worry dyan. Ang ganda. May mirror ka rin dito. And pagpasok mo, this is your room. Guys, I got the 2 separate beds here, but you have, di ba, your pajamas. Meron ka pang free Marshall speaker that you can use. Bawal nyo kunin. May TV ka dyan. Meron kang sopa. Medyo chair lang naman siya in a table and an ottoman. And then, yes, bawat corner mo dito may saksakan, USB and saksakan. You have your light, your phone. You have mineral water, which is complimentary. And of course, you have your... My gosh, DeLonghi rin tong kettle mo, guys, di ba? Coffee, nasa baba mo kukunin yan. And you have your mini fridge as well here. Ang ganda, guys. And then, look at this. Ang ganda, di ba? Very artsy, very cutesy, very demure yung hotel mo. And not only that, may LAN ka rin dyan. Saksakan pa dyan. You have a dehumidifier. But more than anything else, guys, look at the view. Yung Ferris wheel, talaga yung view ng kwarto ko. Oh my gosh. Maloloka kayo sa ganda nito. I can't rave enough. This is Stream Hotel sa Sapporo. It's by Susukino. Guys, alam mo, if you're here, stay here and then bilhin nyo or book early. As in, na-shock talaga ako sa ganda ng presyo nito. Okay, mag-aircon muna tayo. On English. And then on natin. Siyempre, kailangan may aircon tayo. Ayaw natin na walang aircon. Nag-aircon ako mga 20. Okay. Guys, ito yung sauna niya o steam mo in the spa. May women's and men. Siyempre, no camera na. This is the top floor. And not only that, may free pa siyang pa-ice cream sa inyo kung can take off. Meron ring laundry room. Guys, may gym sila So, everything that you need, nandito rin. Free to. May techno gym yung materials nila dyan. Diba? And then, meron ka rin. And maganda yung treadmill nila, guys. Maganda yan. May hangin yan. Maganda na ako. I'm so happy! Okay. Guys, ito yung hotel. Look at the view. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda nila sobra. As in. Look. Yan yung outside mo. Ang ganda mo. Tapos exit mo na dyan na. Okay. Kain muna ako. Guys, ayan siya. Yan yung buong mall mo. Ang ganda. Yan yung parang bagong-bago. Ay, may donkey pa doon. Look, may donkey. Tapos, may gindako. Ano yan? Takoyaki. And then, may McDonald's pa here. May pizza, pasta. Ang dami. May Coco Ichibanya pa. Guys, ito na yung menu niya. Kasi ang dami mga sikat na kumain dito. Tingnan natin, Yan na guys, yung ating gyoza. And then, our ramen's here. Ang ganda na slightly. Bato ng Celine pa talaga. It is very, seafoody. Shrimpy. Harap. And then may chili flakes. Tapos guys, mga 950 yung isang bowl nito, ramen. Okay, kukuha ako ng gyoza guys. I-try natin. Pengi ako. Masarap na siya guys ha. Pero it's very seafoody. Parang seafood talaga. May snow. Guys, kung makita niyo may snow na dyan, But this is the morning view. Morning. Morning, guys. Tour day tayo today. But gosh, ganda ng view. Love it! Guys, we're going on a tour and ang station niya, ang meeting place daw is bus stop. Bus Terminal Exit 5. So, sa North Gate daw siya ng JR Sapporo. So, mukhang ang aga-aga pa dito, walang laman ang Sapporo Station. Guys, tingnan nyo, walang laman. Na guys, yung North Exit, So, umakyat para makita ang North Exit at bus stop. Yan guys, yung bus stop. So, saan ang bus stop? 140 meters lang. Tapat lang ata Ay, exit mo. Ayan, bus counter. Ay, yung bus stop. Ito na pala. Ayan, guys. The bus. Doon. Guys, And then 5 daw kami. Bus. Dulo pa. Kasi 4 5 doon pa. So, dulo sis. Ayun. 5. Doon kami, guys. Tapos mamaya na-book namin Chinese speaking tour child. Make sure nyo yun, may nabasa ako isang tour. Nagsasalita, Chinese speaking guide. So parang, hala! I mean, kahit naiintindihan ko naman siya, ayoko pa rin ng Chinese speaking guide, di ba? Kasi hello, English or Tagalog ang first language. Ayan na guys. Ayun 5. So dyan yung tour namin. Uy, mukhang masaya kami. Konti lang tour guides tour mates namin. Okay, so guys, we got our bus. Ay, laking bus. Mukhang malaking bus. Hindi pala malaki yung bus. Akala ko bus na namin. Oh my gosh, I love it. Ang cute ng bus namin, guys. Ayan na, guys. Rod's here. Here, we have our own seats.
Kasi may inintay silang dalawa. Tapos, medyo panty pa, bawal ka malate. Kaya guys, bawal kayo malate. Pag malate kayo, hindi na lang kayo pumunta. Pero at least inintay naman niya. Pero sabi niya, late na tayo. Kaya, huwag kayo malate. Learn.